Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. As you could tell, things look a little different. One thing's for sure, I finally revealed my face, the man behind the live cops and all that. I started doing live cops about a year ago, and I just felt that I think it's time to start adding new content. So I thought about adding unboxings, of course the face reveal. And speaking of unboxings, I have a couple of things to show, but they're not exactly sneaker related. So my first pickup was probably a few weeks ago, and it's just an upgrade to my computer. It's the AMD 5900X, and I'm super excited to use it. Another pickup I wanted to show is I purchased a new bot. So a few weeks ago, Wrath and the Scout app collaborated to do some sort of Flappy Wrath type of game, and the top 30 high scores were eligible for a Wrath renewal key. So it was pretty crazy. My high score was 131 and I was at the top 10. There was about a minute or so left when the game was about to end, and I just kept refreshing the screen, and by the time the countdown was at 0, I was number 26. So I got extremely lucky, and I have my own key for Wrath, and I'm super excited to use it on these foot sites drops coming up. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make a short video, finally introduce myself, and just tell you about the upcoming things that are happening to my channel. And I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been viewing my channel, subscribing, commenting, and liking. That's been amazing support, and I want to thank you for all that. And I want to thank my sponsors, Dirt Proxies and the cook group, the North Cop. They're down in the description below if you want to know more. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.